Hey, what's going on? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can promote an affiliate product that has done over $393,000 for me over the last couple of years. And I'm going to show you the exact strategies that I used to promote this product using a very simple 3-step formula. So this is my $393,000 affiliate product. This is one of many affiliate products that I promote, but I'm going to show you how you can promote this specific product as well and do so in 15 days or less. So right at the beginning of the worldwide shutdown, I decided to take a chance on a new product that had a little challenge, and I was going to promote it. So I checked the numbers right before this video, and I have made $393,518.38 using this simple 3-step system, and that's what I'm going to show you today. Now, the reason this product does so well is because it has what is known as a value ladder. So let me draw you a value ladder really quickly so you can get a complete understanding of why this particular product works so well. So this is what a value ladder looks like. So this particular program has a very inexpensive $7 front end product. And on that product, we as affiliates only make a $2.80 commission. But the cool thing is since we're promoting an inexpensive product, we can promote this right from social media, and we can leverage short form platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Well, what happens here is after people buy into this inexpensive program, they have the opportunity to buy another product or an order bump that pays us a $6.80 commission. Now, later on, they might have an upsell. This could be at the time of purchase or later on down the road. They have more opportunities to buy products that earn us commissions of, let's say, $38.80. Right around there. It might be $36. I don't remember exactly, but somewhere in that range. And then finally, on the back end, we have the opportunity to earn big $1,000 commissions. This usually happens anywhere between 8 and 12 days after the purchase of the initial $7 product, so not too long. Also, there is a monthly recurring revenue opportunity with this program where we make $18 per month recurring, which equals passive income. So once again, we focus on promoting this front end product, and the affiliate partner does all this here, yet we still earn these big commissions. So that's the magic behind this program. Let's talk about how to promote this program now. So once again, I said we're going to be using a simple 3-step system where we get an audience, a conversion system, and an affiliate offer. Now, obviously, these two right here are super simple. The affiliate offer is already created, and at the end of this video, I'll show you how you too can partner with this same affiliate offer if you want to. The audience is simple as well because of the viral reach we get on platforms like TikTok, Instagram, Reels, Facebook Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Anybody can start with zero. So the only thing we have to worry about in order to make this work and start hopefully seeing these type of numbers is the conversion system. So what does a conversion system look like? Well, believe it or not, a conversion system is a simple 2-page website and some automated email follow-up. This 2-page website is where we send all the traffic. We collect emails so we can follow up and build our email list. We pre-sell them with a bridge page video. Then we send them over to the video sales letter of this particular product with our affiliate link that tracks commissions, sales, traffic, all that good stuff, which is placed on this button right here. The emails automated system works on increasing conversions by reminding people about this incredible opportunity. Plus, This becomes our virtual distribution channel, which gives us the opportunity to promote other products on the back end and make even more money. So what does this look like? We want specifics, right? Because if you know exactly what you need to say in this conversion system, then you should see results just like so many other people. And the best part is once you have this conversion system built, a few minutes a day making TikToks is enough to drive some considerable revenue if you get the right messaging. So what do I say on the first page? It's a simple 3-paragraph formula that flat out works. Feel free to copy it if you'd like. The first thing I have on this page is a title, which is the big goal, which in this case is Live the Laptop Lifestyle, because what I am promoting is a digital marketing education course. So if people want to live the laptop lifestyle, they need to learn how to do digital marketing. So that is what the product affords you, the opportunity to live the laptop lifestyle. Second section here is the first paragraph, and here is where I put my without statement. Basically, I want to ask them or show them how to get everything they've wanted without all the things they don't want. So for example, in my without statement, I say, ever wanted to have a super profitable online business without creating products, carrying inventory, dealing with customers, or spending countless hours on activities that don't make you money? Sounds pretty good, right? That's my without statement. Paragraph number 2 is, who am I? What do I do? Well, my name is Brian Brewer, and I help ordinary folks build extremely profitable affiliate marketing businesses, even if they have no experience or list. Basically, all you do is introduce yourself and tell people what the eventual product does. If the product I'm promoting helps people learn digital marketing and become affiliate marketers, then my name is Brian, and I help ordinary folks build extremely profitable affiliate marketing businesses. Paragraph number 3 is, want this? ? Do this. And this is our call to action. If you are interested in becoming a high-ticket super affiliate in 2022, click the button below to watch a free presentation that will reveal the formula. When they click that button, I capture their email and send them over to the secondary page, which is the bridge page. Now, the main element of the bridge page is this video right here where I warm them up. I pre-sell the video sales letter that I'm about to send them to. Remember, I pre-sell, I don't sell. So what do you say in this bridge page video? Very simple. It's a 4-step process. You can feel free to ad-lib, work around, add your personal touch to it, but basically you want to do 4 things in this bridge page video. And you can shoot this bridge page video selfie style. Sometimes the more casual it is, the more believable it is. So what we want to do is, the first thing we want to do is acknowledge their last action. We want to say thank you for taking your time to enter your email on the previous page. And this is important because up until this point, with our content, we've been trying to get them to come over to our page and enter their email. So we want to make sure and acknowledge that. The second thing we want to do after that is we want to relate to them by stating the problem. For example, if we're promoting this product, which teaches digital marketing and how to start an online business, I could say, my name is Brian, and not long ago, I was looking for a reliable way to make money online because I was working too hard in the restaurant. I was gone from my family all the time, and I had no idea how to make more money, right? So I'm relating to them. Now, anyone who feels like they're overworked and wants a way to make more money can relate to me. Boom. That's how you build trust quickly. After we do that, we want to introduce the desirable outcome and the new discovery. I can say, luckily, I found a way to quit my restaurant job, and it was different because I didn't have to create products or take on clients. Right? That's the benefit of affiliate marketing. So that sounds interesting. So finally, we got to mention the next step. And this is where we introduce the product and tell them what to do next. So if I'm promoting this product that is Legendary Marketer, I will say, Legendary Marketer was able to help me out and change my life. When you're ready to learn more, click on the button that's on this page to go watch a free video from the creator of that program, Dave Sharp, to learn how you too can promote other people's products as a freelance digital marketer and earn high ticket commissions in the process. Okay? That's it. That's all we have to do. Those 4 steps, they're sold, they trust us, they relate to us, they see they want to quit their job, they want to make money online, they want to earn high ticket commissions, so now they know what they have to do. They have to click the button. Simple. Now they go watch the VSL. Some people buy, some people don't. For the people who don't buy, we want to send them emails, and here's exactly what we want to do in the follow-up emails. This is a general framework, but this will work. If you don't know what you need to do in these emails, this is what you have to do. You set up your email autoresponder, so you send out an automated email each day after they opt in. The first day they opt in, you introduce yourself and describe the pain that you felt before you discovered this product. This is how you relate to them. And of course, at the end of this email, you want to send them back to the video sales letter with your affiliate link. So if they buy, you earn the commission. Now, this is where you take into consideration some of your struggles. Day 2, you want to ask their opinion to collect any objections. Just basically say, hey, what'd you think about the video? Some people are going to respond and say, well, I thought this, or this. Keep those in mind. Remember those. Respond to those immediately, but keep them on paper for later on down the road. Day number 3, you want to tell them why this opportunity is different. For example, if you're promoting this particular product that's done over $300,000 for me, it teaches digital marketing. This is different because this allows you to create a business without taking on clients. Finally, day number 4, we want to validate the affiliate product, find some sort of social proof, other people who have been successful with this program. If that's you, great. If it's not, find some other people in Facebook groups who have had success with this and tell stories about them. Day number 5, remind them of the pain of not taking action. What will happen if you don't follow through and buy this thing? Will your life continue to be the same? Will you continue to go to work for the next 40 years and nothing will ever change? Will you continue to struggle to pay your bills, right? Remind them of the pain of not taking action. And day number 6 and beyond, you can add as many emails as you want simply by overcoming the objections that you collected in day 2. Because if one person took the time to respond to that email to tell you about an objection, then there's probably 5, 10, 15, 100 other people who have that same objection. And if you can overcome that objection before they state it to you, you win. They trust you. They think, wow, this person really understands me, and they go buy your thing. Once again, it's a simple conversion system to an excellent affiliate product, but you need a fantastic affiliate product for this to work, and you have to actually learn the product first. Luckily, if you want to promote the exact same product that I've done over $300,000 with, it's super inexpensive to start. I'll go ahead and place a link somewhere around this video to go overhead and start the 15-day challenge. Then, of course, you can reach out if you have any questions. Because you'll be on my email list, you'll have my email, and I'll follow up with some more training that's going to help you be more successful with this program.